Nancy. I'm building a sandcastle. Can you help me?
Sophie, what are you doing?
I'm relaxing on the water.
We need to go back home.
Mom, just a few more minutes.
Mama! Mama! It's time to go. Okay, I'll put the toys in the bag. I need to put on my sandals. Okay, it's almost done. If I put the green round block here, it will look good. But where is it? Where is it? I need to find it. What is it?
Nancy, what happened?
There is a scary bug here.
A scary bug? Where is it now?
Inside my toy bricks. It looked like an orange spider. I'm scared of spiders.
Sweetie, I don't see anything scary in here.
Where is it?
Maybe it is scared and hiding.
What is it scared of?
Us.
We are not scary. I found it. What is this? What a strange little creature.
Oh, poor little one. It is really scared. It looks like a sea creature. It is so funny.
Oh, I think it really likes this toy brick. It doesn't want to give it back.
It looks like this creature. A hermit crab.
They like to choose a shell as a home and live inside a shell.
This little one looks like a hermit, but fluffier. It looks strange. Maybe it is a hermit that is different from the other hermits. That is why it is alone, like the ugly duckling. Can I stay with you? No.
Go away, little one.
Maybe this little hermit is like the ugly duckling. Maybe the other hermits left it because it is different.
Maybe it doesn't know how to find a shell. Oh, poor little thing.
Maybe it likes this toy brick because it thinks it is a shell. Don't worry, little one. We will find a real shell for you. You are not alone. We will help you find a home. Dad, can we keep it in the home? Just until we go to the beach? Please.
Let me think.
Please, please. Just for a few days.
Okay, let's go buy the things it needs.
Can we buy it a shiny golden shell?
And a tiny little boat?
No, only the necessary things. We will buy just what it really needs.
Wow, there are so many things here. Do they have something for a hermit?
Let's look around and find what it needs.
For a little hermit, you need a glass tank, a bag of sand, and a tiny hut. The hut gives it privacy.
You are safe here. Sleep well, little one. Your place is safe and cozy. Let's call it Fluffy. Fluffy is a perfect name. I'm fast too. I can win. I should win today.
What happened? What was that sound?
Oh no, where is Fluffy? Where did it go? Look, the footprints. They are for Leo. Mom, Dad, wake up. Fluffy is lost.
It is gone. Oh no. Let's look around the house and find it together.
It is very tiny.
It can't go far.
Fluffy, where are you? Where is Leo? His footprints were near the glass tank. Leo, do you know where Fluffy is? You want me to follow you? Okay, let's go.
Follow Leo.
He knows where Fluffy is.
How did it get this far? I need bait for my hook. What is this? A spider? It looks like good bait.
Don't be scared, Fluffy. We are here. We will take you home. You are safe.
Excuse me, my children found this little hermit. We are going to take him back to the beach.
Welcome home, Fluffy.
Let's find some shells for him.
Don't worry. Everything will be okay.
It finally chose a shell.
It has a home now. Yay! Yay!
Go, Fluffy. Go home.
Go find new friends.
Bye, Fluffy.
Did you enjoy this story? Do you remember what kind of animal Fluffy was? Tell me in the comments.
Did you learn new things? For more stories and more learning, please subscribe.